This week we're going to talk about obscenities, and the important thing you need to know about them are the 7 words you're not allowed to say on the radio ever, the FCC definition of obscenity, the definition of community standards, and the 2 methods of deleting obscenities on air. So first off, the 7 words you can't say, they're found in your station manual. I'm not going to say them right here, but you're going to have to write those 7 words on your final. So make sure you check the station manual for those words. They're not the most obvious words that you'd think of, or the ones that would come to mind right away. You're also going to need to know the definition of obscenity from the FCC, and that's anything of a sexual or excretory nature. The definition of community standards, they bar us from playing anything with foul language, which includes anything of a racially, sexually, or religiously offensive nature. So that's kind of an all encompassing term that might catch things that those 7 words don't. Then, for your 2 methods of deleting obscenities on the radio, the first one is using the control board. And in that one, all you're going to do is slide down one of these bars when the obscene word comes up. That means you have to know the song pretty well and be able to predict when it's coming up, or else you might let it slip through. The other method is when we don't expect an obscenity to come up and we hear it play on the radio. The stuff that actually goes out to the public has a 6 second delay from what happens in here. So that means that we have time to fix our mistakes if that happens. If you do hear an obscene word, all you have to do is press this red button right here, and that will dump the last 6 seconds of broadcast. So we will have silence playing on the radio for 6 seconds, but it's still better than airing an obscene word. So make sure you know the 7 words you can't say, the FCC definition of obscenities, community standards, and the 2 methods of deleting obscenities.